what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You're favorite indeed. Being a pirate is a right to be. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You are a pirate.
Hello, my name is Ostara, and I am 7, and I'm Kori's little sister. So today I am what am I saying? I'm doing some Hello Kitty slime, and apparently there's 4 characters hidden inside. Look, it says right here. It says it right here. Yeah, and it is so exciting. Well, let's get on to it. And alright, so the first colour on the slime is blue, and I think Cinnamoroll's going to be up first because Cinnamoroll's eyes are blue. Alright. Ooh. This slime is actually quite hard to press. Oh, wait a minute. I feel something. Okay, this is quite hard to get out. Oh, it's Hello Kitty! You see a little white hand. Oh, I just realised Hello Kitty's main character, so of course she's going to be first. Hello Kitty! Hello Kitty's here. And alright, so Hello Kitty is wrapped in plastic and covered in slime. So I'm just going to get slime off, and you can see I already got some off right here. So let me just get the rest off. And also, it feels really, really squishy and soft. Yeah, it's really nice to feel. Yeah, and I've made an absolute mess at the top. Alright, let's search for more. Oh! I can see a little bit. And it's really hard to get out. Yeah, but I feel something. I think this might be Pom Pom Purin because Pom Pom Purin is yellow. His body is literally yellow. Let me just try and get whoever this is. And also it might be easier to pull bits out. Oh my gosh, it's really stretchy. This is actually really stretchy. This is really funny. It looks like a weird dragon body. And so let me just put this down. And for some reason there's plastic. Let me just get the plastic off. And I think every colour is separated with plastic because I just found some here. Alright, now let's try and reach out to get the character again because I nearly forgot where it was. Let me just get it. That's right! You look Pom Pom Purin. Hold on, let me just get him. Ta-da! Here he is. Kind of covered in slime, so let me just get all the slime off. And he's covered in plastic too, just like Hello Kitty. Right, let me just get slime off. And I've accidentally opened it, so it doesn't matter if I get him out. So let me just do the characters for slime on too. Look, he looks so cute. Get off, yellow. Well, I'm just getting all the slime off, and There we go. He's most not slimy. Look at him, he's so cute. And also, I think he's made out of rubber. And also, this slime is not for children under 3. Under 3. Only like, if there's children on 3 years old and or over, they can use this slime. And also, I'm just gonna try and get all this yellow out. Oh, hey, I made it to the pink slime. Look. Yeah, I mostly think Cinderella is in here now. Alright, and I got the yellow slime out. And also there's plastic under this one as well. So I actually think every slime is separated with plastic. And also you can reuse this slime. And I think with the yellow slime you can make like a little banana. And also there's some blue on it. And it kind of looks like a minion. Alright, so we made it to the pink slime, and comment down below which character you think is in here. Do you think it's Cinderella or Kori? I mostly think it's Cinderella. Well, let's find out. And I just felt something. So let's see who this is. And let's see if you was right in the comments down below. It is... Ooh. Let's see who it is. I can see a little bit of white. And it's Cinderella! Because I can see the little blue eyes. Look, you can recognize these little blue eyes and this little blue smile. So cute. So let me just get the slime off this one. And alright, so Cinderella is covered in slime and I just got some on my finger. But I'm going to cut the packets open later when the slime is finished. So let's carry on. And also let's get this pink out first, but I just made a little wormy. Little wormy. Yep. Oh, yep, got it. Let me just get this plastic off. And there we go. Look, we got the pink out. And the final colour is purple. And purple is my absolutely favourite colour. Yeah, so let's get on to the purple. And we got to the purple slime, and comment down below, can you guess which Sanrio character is purple? Alright, so let's see which character is hidden in here. Oh, I can feel something. Let me just pull it out. And it would be better if it would make little fart noises, like fart butty. And the character is Kori. Even though he's not purple, he's green. And did you get the character right? Because the answer is Kori. Alright, let's wrap the slime off so we can see Kori. I nearly said Kori. What am I talking about? It's Kori. I nearly said Kori again. It's Kori. So let's just get the slime off. And if you don't know Hello Kitty, Kori is a frog. And also, my favourite Sanrio character is... is mostly Cinnamoroll, My Melody, and one of the twin stars, the girl twin star. And also, fun fact, my mummy literally has twin stars tattoos because she's literally a fan of Sanrio. I mean, twin stars too. Alright, I've nearly opened all of the characters and I think the pink slime has died Cinnamoroll. Look. He's literally died Cinnamoroll. Because she's literally pink when she's white. And also, I'm going to show you each character that I have unslimed. So, this is Cinnamoroll and he's quite pink. Alright, so Cinnamoroll is unslimed and this is Cinnamoroll and he's died from the slime. Sorry, we had to pause the video because my daddy outside was snoring like a pig. He's just asleep in our hammock in the sun because he just likes the sun, just like our dog Gypsy. And also, so Cinnamoroll is a puppy and most people think Cinnamoroll is a bunny because of those white ears. Yeah, I thought that too, but he's actually a dog. Puppy. Alright, and the next character is Pom Pom Purin. So that's his name. And also, he is a dog as well. And he kind of looks like a potato. Potato. I nearly said potato. And the next character after Pom Pom Purin is Kori. And Kori is a frog. For some reason he has a little bow tie because things are weird in the Hello Kitty world. And last not least, hold on, I just got it wrong. Last but not least is Hello Kitty, the kitty. And actually her secret is she was actually a human who turned into a kid. Oh no, I got that wrong. Duh. Not many people notice, but Hello Kitty is not a cat. She's a little girl from London. Hello Kitty is actually 5 apples tall. And her weight is 3 apples. And she's got a twin sister called Mimi. And also, so her twin sister Mimi has a yellow bow and Hello Kitty has a red bow. And Hello Kitty's full name is Kitty White. And she was created in 1974. Which means she's literally older than my mummy. Alright, so my mummy is filming this video and she's going to ask me some questions. Over to you, Pixie.
Hello, Ostara.
Hello.
So, toy review time, okay? How many stars out of 5, if 5 is the best stars ever, would you give this toy?
5.
Yeah? What did you like about it?
The hidden figures inside and the slime. The slime just feels really nice.
Is it the kind of slime that sticks to your fingers and doesn't come off, or is it kind of soft and fluffy?
It's kind of both.
Yeah?
Yeah, it just literally sticks to my finger and it's soft and fluffy.
Is it like snot?
No.
Or is it much nicer?
It's much nicer.
Yeah? Would you like to see more of these toys?
Yes.
Yeah? And are you going to keep this slime, and where are you going to store it?
Yes, I'm going to keep it, and I don't know where I'm going to store it, but I'm just going to mix it together.
Rainbow slime. Okay, can you just remind us what age this is for?
Over age 3 or over, not under age 3. Alright, and I hope you liked this video, and who was your favourite toy out of all of these? Pom Pom Purin, Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll, or Koropi? And also, a big thank you to Anne-Marie in Wales, who gifted this for my mummy on an unboxing channel. And also, I have a big favour for you, to like and subscribe, pretty please, with the extra cheese on top. And make sure to tick that little bell icon to make our video go on live. And also, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because we do lots of unboxing on that one. And fun days out and super silly times. And thank you for watching this video. I'm Ostara, and bye, crewmates. You can pretend to take the biscuit.
There you go.
Can pretend to take the biscuit. Let me get this. Choo choo. Train is going. Choo choo. Choo choo. I'm gonna get back to work.
Oh dear.